All right, folks, here comes Amtrak train number 14, Starlight. This train is headed to Seattle. It's a northbound train. Here it comes. P42 DC number 50 with the steel bell on it. AOC 42319 is telling, so anyways, here comes the Starlight at the Oakland Coliseum station. All right, here it goes. Thanks for the horse show. All right, folks, taking that train off to Seattle. Credit to Eric Fong for alerting me about the Coast Starlight, even though he cheated to go up there to San Jose first to see it first. So I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Good horn show for P42 number 50. Thank you. Bye.